Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I gotta wash my hand because this is my second time trying to record this. This is funny. Okay, so my name's Missy. If you're new here, welcome. So happy for you to be here. If you're not new here, you guys, I love you. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, he doesn't like me talking. My son's here. My Jacob James is here. It's okay, baby. So, you'll hear him. First thing we're going to start this video off with is my December PinchMe box finally came. Inside of it was this native deodorant. It's aluminum and paraben free, so it's all natural. It's going to be a deodorant, not an antiperspirant, but it actually smells really, really good. Yeah, I know. And then I also got the Ricola Herbal Immunity Support gummies. And it came in this box like this. I did email them a couple weeks ago saying, you know, it says it shipped my December box, but I never got it. They said, well, give it a while, you know. And I said, okay, it's 2 months. What? Oh. But, and then I ended up getting it. Also, there's this Graze box code for a sample, a 4-pack sampler. Hold on, Jacob. Hold on, baby. If you have not tried Graze, go ahead and use this code. I will leave a link down below to Graze and also this code so you can get it free. I have done it before, but I will probably try to use this code as well. What's the matter? Did you lose your binky? Let me give him his binky. So this is going to be a 2-part series. This is going to be the Walmart's favorites, beauty favorites boxes. And it's going to be a 2-part series because there's several I'm going to want to show you guys. So I'm going to do one video today. Oh, I'm going to upload. Yeah. Anyway, so one's going to go up and then another one will go up. So stick around and keep your eye out. Hit the notification button so you can see the other one coming. They have makeup. They have skincare. They have hair care. So, they have a lot of stuff, so I just want to show you guys. They're great. It's really a great way to get a good deal on stuff. If you notice, I've been trying to wear brighter colors, so this is my blue eyeshadow. I put a little dusty blue silver color in the middle, so I'm trying to walk out of my comfort zone this year and do something a little different, so I'm trying. Plus, I'm trying to contour my nose a little bit, you guys. If you have any tips on that, let me know. I hate my nose, so I'm trying to learn how to contour it. So any tips on that, leave a comment down below as well. So this one we're going to start out is Walmart's favorites. Latest in lips. When you open it up, it looks like this. So I'm just going to go through it, list what everything is on the back, and talk to you about it and explain. Well, if it says what it is and how to use it, I will. This is a So-A-E. I burped. I'm so sorry. Collagen hydrogel lip patch on clean lips. Removes mask from package and applied to lips. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes. Supposed to smooth away lines, dry, cracked lips in 10 to 15 minutes. I tried one of these one time. I didn't notice the difference, but I'm excited to try different brands. See if it does make a difference. We will see. What's the weather like where you guys are at? Where I'm at, it was yesterday sunny, warm. My boys were in shorts. Beautiful. Excuse me, sir. And today it's gloomy and horrible. So this is Flower Miracle Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's a beautiful color in dark and stormy. Oh, it's smeared. Okay, that's the color it is. Let me re-swatch it. Hold on. Like I said before, I did try to film this earlier, and my camera kicked me off, so I had to start over. Jacob, what's wrong? It's okay. So here is this color. I'm going to swatch on the back of my hands, which my hands are like one of my insecurities, so there you go. That's a beautiful, this boy, hold on. Okay, so that's a beautiful color. I really like that. The next one is the Hard Candy Max Pout. Apply gloss to middle of lips and smooth outward. So, plumping serum. Let's try it. Okay, so it's just clear. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. So, what does it say? Apply gloss to middle and lips and smooth outwards. I've been, really getting into these, so like into plumping serums for my lips. So let's see. So I'm going to move forward a little bit. Let's see if they get a little bigger. Okay. Almay Goddess Lip Color. So this is the Almay Goddess Lip Color. It's a pretty little sparkle. And if there's anything that I already own that's in here, I will be putting in a giveaway. So our next giveaway will be at 100 subscribers. This plumping serum is burning. Which I know they're supposed to. Duh, Missy. Gosh, I hate it when these won't come open. Don't you hate that? There we go. I hate it when you can't get it tore open. And I clipped my nails off yesterday. So it's just this shimmery pink, which I like. A good little gloss. A little girly gloss. A little pink. Oh, wow, guys. Can you... Ooh, girl. I love that. Okay, I like that a lot. Wet n Mild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. This one is in the... Oh, this color. Did I tell you what color? Oh, my lips. This is an angelic. This is in Flirt Alert. I'm not going to open this because this is going to go in a giveaway. It's a pretty pink. It's like a soft, but more of a dusty, soft baby pink. You know, it's not like pop baby pink, but it's a softer one. But I'm not a big fan of their matte. Is this a matte one? Oh, no, this is a high shine one. Sweet. Okay. I'm not a big fan of their matte ones. So next we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. This is in the color Radiant Rose. So let's try that. Oh, that's hard. That's a weird. Look at that doe foot applicator. That's a wide one. Here comes my other little guy. Look who's up. So this is just a light little pink. That's pretty. Ooh, boys. Hopefully my boys don't get into this pumping stuff, you guys. Do you notice a difference? I think I do. I do. It feels like bee stinging though. Not a good feeling. Next, I love this color. This is Tidal Taupe Burt's Bees Liquid Lipstick. I love Burt's Bees tinted lip chapsticks, but I don't have any of their liquid lips. So this is a beautiful taupe color. So let's check out their doe foot. I love the different kinds of doe foot applications. So it's just this one's a little pointy one. Let's see what color this one is. Oh, this one's my favorite so far. That's my color right there. Oh, that's beautiful. These are some great colors, you guys. They give you a nice variety. So again, this was $9.88. I believe these are all full-size products. Correct me if I'm wrong, but look at his wild hair. But I believe they are. So this, again, was the Walmart's Favorites Latest in Lips. If you want it, you can check your local Walmart and see if they have them in stock. Mine said that one of them was in stock that was not. So be sure to verify that it is, because they might not be as well. Oh, my lips. I don't like this. This I don't like. Oh, it hurts, guys. It just genuinely is hurting my lips. But I do think it's working, so I'll probably will use it because I think it's working. And that's all I need to make me happy. And I kind of have a bigger lower lip, just not an upper lip, so. I like that. Okay, let's get into the next one. Okay, this was the one this is the one I was most excited about. This is the Walmart's Favorites, the Eyes Habit. This is what it looks like inside. So, this was the one I was really most excited about, just because, and these are not some full size, some sample size. I think the most popular things that are in here are the sample sizes, and I think that there's some newer stuff in here that are not as, that aren't as popular, are full size. So, I could be wrong though. Okay, we're gonna, again, it says on the back how to use it and what it is. So, the first one, is the Rimmel Lash Serum. Apply to bare lashes like mascara. When using under mascara, let the serum set but not completely dry. Use precision tip along brows. Now, what's this for? Ooh, it's a lash accelerator? Girl, I wonder if you know, let me know. Does this just make your lashes appear longer, or is it something that you apply that helps your lashes to grow longer, or is it both? Because I've been looking for something to help my lashes grow, because I used to have really long, thick lashes, and I don't anymore. I got old. So this is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. I've been wanting to try this full-size one. I'm not going to open it because we have so many mascaras coming at us right now, so I don't want to open it and it go bad. The next one is the CoverGirl. Oh, there's two different CoverGirl Lid Lock Primer. This is applied lid lock up onto eyelids using product wand. Make sure that the skin is clean and dry. Allow formula to fully dry before applying eyeshadow. Remove makeup. Oh, it's just an eyebrow. It's an eye primer. An eyelid primer for an eyeshadow primer. It's an eyeshadow primer. Like I said before, if I have duplicates of something, I'll probably put this in a giveaway. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway. Maybe not. I might try it. I don't know. Maskology Under Eye Gel Mask. And again, I use some of these too. Oh, this one says it's skin tightening elasticity. These are just the ones you put underneath your eyelids. You can do it while you're getting ready. If you do your foundation last. If not, then I just did it in the morning with a lip mask. If you guys want to see a picture of it, I will post it on my Instagram. I look silly. Okay, L'Oreal Mini Voluminous Primer. Primer base. Place brush at base of lashes and gently sweep up to tip. Do not smudge. Removes easily. So, suitable for sensitive skin. I'm going to have to do some investigating on some of these things because like this one, oh, I believe this one is when you put on like a fiber one, you put on, then you put on your mascara and it makes them longer, fuller, thicker. I believe that's what this one is. I believe the Rimmel is Gross Serum is my guess. Next is the e.l.f. Lift Brow Pencil in the color Neutral Brown. This will be going in a giveaway. I have this. Not a big fan of it. Not my favorite. It's too soft for me, so I'm not. This is the CoverGirl Flourish Mascara. Sweep on CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Splash Mascara to treat lashes to lush ingredients, including coconut, avocado, and papaya oils. Okay, again, I'm not going to open it because so many mascaras right now. I don't want to, anything to go bad and wasteful. You know me, I'm cheap. I don't like wasting anything. And, but some of this stuff, like I said, will be going our 100 subscriber giveaway. So, I mean, it'd be cool if we got to 100 subscribers. I don't know, we'll see. We went up and we've been stagnant so far, which is not a big deal, you guys. Like I told you before, I am doing this simply for myself, because it's fun for me. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this right here and make this a series. I think it's going to be a 3-part series, so stick around if you guys want to see the other ones. We have the Glow Like a Pro, we have the face one, we have the hair, what's this one? The hair main event, which is like styling products, and then we have another one, which is like hair care, shampoos, oils, etc., etc. So I think it's going to be a 3-part series that we're going to do. So stick around, you guys, because we're going to have more coming at you. Okay, guys, have a good day. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And I love you guys so much. Hit the notification button so you know when I upload the next videos. Okay, bye.